So Piggyvest recently released their 2024 savings report, right? This report is supposed to help the average Nigerian make better decisions when it comes to spending, saving, and investing their money. It's a very interesting report. I'm not going to focus on the whole 54-page document. No, that will be a very long video. So if you want to read the report for yourself, I'll put the link in the description so you can go ahead to, take a look at it for yourself. But what concerns you and I when it comes to e-commerce? We'll be looking at some key questions. So one of those key questions is, how much do people make on an average in Nigeria? What do they spend their money on? And when it comes to savings, what are their priorities? Let's start with income. 58% of Nigerians earn between 100,000 to 250,000 naira monthly. Why is this number important to us, right? There's something called disposable income. Disposable income basically is what you are left with. Either you have spent all the money that you're supposed to spend on necessities and actual expenses. So things like your rent, your food, black tax. Now, if 58% of Nigerians are earning between 100 to 250,000 naira, that means the disposable income that we're looking at is probably 20% of that, which is 10 to about 50,000 naira monthly. The reason why this number is very important is because whatever it is you are selling, you want to make sure the people you are selling it to can afford it, right? That's why I say that within this report, there are a lot of interesting things that we should pay attention to. If you find yourself in a situation where you are selling something for 500,000 naira, right? You will get a lot of people that will look at it. Wow, this is good. Wow. And it's cheap, oh. But at the end of the day, and it's cheap, oh, people can't afford it. So they will not buy it. And this is why you want to know what the disposable income of your target audience is. So now let's look at expenditure, or better still, how they spend their earned income. 54% of the people in this particular report mentioned that they spend between 50 to 199,000 naira on fixed expenses. This 54% also confirms the disposable income that we just finished talking about. Because when you remove 50,000 to 199,000 from an earned income average of 100 to 250,000 naira, you will notice that you're actually left with 20 to 50,000 naira as an actual disposable income. Another part of this particular report or section in the report that I found interesting is where people are spending their money, right? Where this expenditure is going. 83% of it is going to food. We might need to start fasting more often. But yeah, 83% of it is going to food. And I understand. I think when it comes to inflation in Nigeria, the most hit items with inflation or high inflation is actually food items. Another thing you want to look at is utilities and bills. That's about 30-something percent. You have healthcare. You have, childcare and clothing as well. That's where people spend their money. Okay? Now, the reason why this is important to us is because we are already beginning to see which industries people are naturally inclined to now spend money on, right? So what does that mean for you? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to make soup bowls or all those kind of things? Are you into making shawarma? Do you know how to grill? Do you know how to make small chops? All those amazing things. This might be a good time to start one of those businesses. If you're looking for products to sell, you can look at what would people need that would help them reduce the amount of money they spend with their utilities or in their bills. Maybe NEPA, PHCN. So you want to look at things like, would you want to reduce their PHCN bills by providing solar panel batteries, by providing inverters, by providing solar-powered lamps, solar-powered lights, solar-powered TVs. Yes, guys. Solar-powered TVs exist. They sell it in China. I've already checked. These are kind of sort of product ideas that you might want to be looking at or thinking about to start your own e-commerce business or to join what you're currently selling if you already have an e-commerce business. Speaking of e-commerce businesses and products to sell, I have a gift for you. All right? No strings attached. So I have a 57 e-commerce niche list that shows you product examples, and product stores and inspirations that you can use to get started. Okay, so we know how much they earn, We know how they spend that money that they earn. But how do they save? Right? Let's look at that. This particular, I don't even know, is this is a half pie chart or is it a graph? Whatever it is, this particular graphic sort of shows you a very scary number. Only 47% of people save monthly. What I find interesting is the 10% that save occasionally. What do you mean you save occasionally? Like, what's that? You save every 4 months, you save 2K every 4 months, or maybe you go 1 year, when you get your bonus, you save half of your bonus. How does it work? And 43% don't save at all, which I understand why. I understand it might be difficult, but save, guys. My honest opinion is no matter what happens, always save money aside for a rainy day. Always save money aside for a great opportunity that might come your way. I sound like a rapper, but moral of the story is save. Yes, there's inflation, right? A part of the report also shows us where people spend their money on or how they've been affected by inflation. And what you'll notice is that particular, again, graphic or that particular chart or that particular, insights, data insights is very similar to how they spend their monthly income, if you notice. So food obviously has the highest jump with inflation, 70-something percent. You have utilities and bills, you have childcare, and all those things are there. Even clothing is there, right? Now, what this does is it confirms what I spoke about earlier in terms of where you want to look at if you're looking to either start your e-commerce business or you're looking for where to expand your current e-commerce business and sell new products. So after reading this report, the one key question I'll ask myself is, okay, what can I sell? What products can I sell between 20 to 50,000 naira where I will have healthy margins and focus on any of these key areas? These key areas being food, being clothing, being childcare, being utilities and bills, right? What products do I sell? This is something you can use ChatGPT for, or this is something that you can just download my niche list and get some ideas. And for those of you that are ready to start your e-commerce journey or even scale your e-commerce journey, maybe you started, stopped, it's okay. It happens to us all. Watch this next video that shows how you can go from idea to millionaire within the next 90 days.